This is exercise number 8. Total length of the part is 140 mm, width is 70 mm, height is 35 plus 30 mm. Total height is 65 mm. Select file, new part file and select OK. So in order to obtain this geometrical shape, we have to draw one rectangle in the front plane and do the dimensions as 140 into total height 35 plus 30, height is 65, 140 into 65. Select sketch, take rectangle command, draw one rectangle, make dimension, height I told you as 30 plus 35, total height 65 mm. Next length is 140 mm, enter 140. Next make it center, select origin point and this vertical line, 140 divided by 2. Select isometric view, extruded boss base, mid plane, width is mentioned as 70 mm, enter 70, select OK. Now we have to draw three rectangles, one towards the left top corner, right top corner and in the center. Select front face, front view, sketch, rectangle. From top left corner draw one rectangle, top right corner draw one more rectangle and in the center draw one rectangle. Now make dimension. These two rectangle dimension will be same. Make it as 20 into height 30. 20, height as 30. Repeat same dimensions here also. Make it as 20 and 30. Next, for this rectangle, see here, distance from this rectangle to this rectangle is 20 mm. Here to here it is 20. Next, from here to here it is 60. This rectangle is 60 and distance from here to here it is 20. It is 20. Okay. Next, here height varies. Here height is 25. Here height is 30. This height was 30. This height is 25. Okay. Select isometric view. We have to cut these three geometrical shapes. Select extruded cut. Instead of blind, select through hole and select OK. Next, select right face. You have to cut this arc. Select right face, right view, sketch, select center point arc. Select center point arc. See, this is the end point and this is the end point. Here in this center point will be this one. Okay, this is the center point. Shape changes to this diamond shape. Okay, select one point, second point and third point. Okay, now take line command because the sketch must be closed. Now sketch is not fully defined. Okay, in order to define sketch fully, draw one line from here to here, from this point to this point. Now sketch is in fully defined. It is sketch is closed. Make dimension, radius is 20, arc is 20 mm. Now select isometric view, extruded cut, select through all and select OK. Now remaining this is circle. We have to draw one circle in the top face. Diameter is 10. Select circle, top face, top view, sketch, select geometrical shape as circle, draw one circle, make dimension, diameter of the circle is 10 mm, enter 10, and we have to place this circle exactly center of this rectangle face. Okay, distance from circle to this bottom edge, it will be, this is width is 70, so 70 divided by 2. Next, this is 20, circle and right edge, distance will be 20 divided by 2. Isometric view, the same circle slot should be on the opposite side. For that we use mirror command. Extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Now select right plane. So in order to mirror this slot towards the opposite direction, so we have to select right plane here. Select right plane. Okay, right plane, right mirror command, features to mirror this slot, or we can select from this features manager design tree. Select cut extrude 3, select OK. Okay, you can see a slot in the opposite direction. This is exercise number